Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we cook delicious meals and are very easy to prepare. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook chips masala. Please stay tuned. We need potatoes cut into this shape. We need tomato sauce. We need coriander stems, coriander leaves, thyme, paprika, curry powder, cumin, garlic, salt to taste, and this is cayenne pepper. We need also 2 tomatoes. These are lime and onions. So first things first, I'm going to fry these potatoes and then we will do the chips masala. Okay, I'm going to put my oil and I'm going to heat it up. My oil is ready, so I'm going to deep fry my potatoes, and please put bit by bit. We are going to wait for it to cook and become a bit crunchy. Then we're going to get them out of the oil. Okay, the first batch is ready. Our second batch is ready. So I'm going to get it out of the oil. I'm going to cut my onions. After cutting the onions, I'm going to grate my tomatoes. I'm going to get the lemon juice. Now I'm going to put my onions and I'm going to saute it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add my ginger. I'm also going to put the coriander stems. And I'm going to put my tomatoes. to let it simmer to make a thick paste. Going to add our tomato sauce. Now we are going to add our lemon juice. Now we're going to add our spices, and for the spices you can use the ones that you're comfortable with. It's not necessarily you use the ones I'm using. You can use the ones that you feel zitakubamba, and then give it a good mix. I'm going to add more salt and more pepper. For those who do not love chili, that part is optional. It's not a must to make a chili. I'm going to add a little bit of water. The final ingredient is our fries. And then I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. I'm just going to use a little bit. And then I'm going to plate it. Guys, our chips masala is ready. And you can have it with pork, you can have it with beef, you can have it with chicken. You can also have it the way it is. As in, you can have it with how you like it. If you have liked today's video, please like, share, comment. You can also subscribe and press the notification button down below, so once I upload a video, you will be able to be notified. Ciao!